Dive into an exciting sandbox world where farm animals, pet animals, and insects need your help. Join the adventure to rescue cows, chickens, dogs, cats, and even tiny bugs from fun challenges and creative missions. Build, explore, and problem-solve in a playful environment designed for kids to learn while having a blast. Whether it's planting crops for hungry farm animals, building cozy shelters for pets, or discovering the fascinating world of insects, every task is a new opportunity for fun and learning. Snakes are legless reptiles, but they evolved from ancestors that had limbs. Some species, like pythons and boas, still retain small vestigial limbs called spurs. Snakes have highly flexible jaws that allow them to swallow prey much larger than their heads. Their lower jaws are not fused. Ants live in highly organized colonies that can range from a few dozen to millions of individuals. Colonies are typically divided into queens, workers, and males, and ants communicate using pheromones, which are chemical signals. They leave scent trails to guide other ants to food sources or alert them to danger. Ants are found on every continent except Antarctica. Rhinoceros beetles are among the largest beetles in the world, with some species reaching up to 6 inches, 15 centimeters, in length. They are also incredibly strong, capable of lifting objects up to 850 times their own weight. Rhinoceros beetles are primarily active at night, using their strong sense of smell to locate food and mates. Yellow jackets are often mistaken for bees, but they are actually a type of wasp. They have a slender, smooth body with bright yellow and black stripes, unlike the fuzzier appearance of bees. Yellow jackets are known for their aggressive behavior, especially when their nest is threatened. Honeybees live in highly organized colonies consisting of a single queen, thousands of worker bees, females, and a few hundred drone bees, males. Each bee has a specific role within the hive. Honeybees are crucial pollinators, responsible for pollinating about 1/3 of the food crops we consume. Flamingos inhabit parts of Africa, Asia, Europe, the Americas, and the Caribbean. They thrive in warm, watery environments like lagoons, estuaries, and salt flats. Flamingos create cone-shaped nests out of mud, stones, and feathers. These nests can be up to 12 inches tall and help keep their eggs safe from flooding and predators. Pandas are bears, scientifically known as Ailuropoda melanoleuca. They are native to China and are considered a national treasure. Pandas have a unique thumb called a pseudo-thumb, which is an enlarged wrist bone that helps them grip bamboo. Pandas are generally solitary creatures. They communicate through vocalizations and scent markings. Hippos spend most of their time in water, such as rivers, lakes, and swamps. They can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes and even sleep underwater, surfacing to breathe without waking up. Hippos are considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. They are highly territorial and can be very aggressive, especially if they feel threatened. Stag beetles are among the largest beetles in the world. The males of some species, like the European stag beetle, Buchanus cervus, can grow up to 3.5 inches, 9 centimeters long. including their mandibles. Stag beetles have been admired for centuries and are often featured in art, literature, and even as pets in some cultures. Scorpions have been around for over 400 million years, making them one of the oldest land-dwelling arthropods. Scorpions have 8 legs, a pair of pincers, pedipalps, and a segmented tail that ends with a venomous stinger. Scorpions are mostly nocturnal, hunting at night and hiding during the day under rocks, logs, Iguanas have a parietal eye, also known as a third eye, on the top of their head. This light-sensitive organ helps them detect predators from above. Iguanas have long, muscular tails that make up about half of their body length. They use their tails for balance and as a defense mechanism to whip predators. Chickens were domesticated from the wild red junglefowl in Southeast Asia over 8,000 years ago. They are one of the most common and widespread domestic animals. Chickens have over 30 distinct vocalizations used for communication, including alarm calls, food calls, and mating calls. Chickens have a complex social hierarchy. Horseflies belong to the family Tabanidae and are a type of large, robust fly. They are known for their painful bites, which primarily target livestock, horses, and sometimes humans. Horseflies are attracted to movement, warmth, and carbon dioxide, making animals and humans easy targets. Only female horseflies bite. Spiders belong to the class Arachnida, which also includes scorpions, ticks, and mites. Unlike insects, spiders have 8 legs and 2 main body parts: cephalothorax and abdomen. Spider webs come in many shapes and sizes, including orb webs, funnel webs, sheet webs, and cobwebs. Leopard geckos are native to the arid and semi-arid regions of Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, and Iran. They thrive in rocky, dry environments. Leopard geckos are native to the arid and semi-arid regions of Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, and Iran. They thrive in rocky, dry environments. Leopard geckos are named for their spotted patterns, which resemble those of a leopard. Rams are generally more aggressive and territorial than ewes. They are protective of their flock and will defend against predators. Rams communicate through vocalizations, bleating, body language, and scent markings. They can recognize individual members of their flock and form strong social bonds. Rams have been symbols of strength, power, and fertility in various cultures throughout history. Butterflies belong to the order Lepidoptera, which also includes moths. They are known for their vibrant colors, delicate wings, and graceful flight. Butterfly wings are covered in tiny scales that create their vibrant colors and patterns. These scales also help with flight and thermoregulation. Butterflies are excellent flyers, with some species capable of migrating thousands of miles. Cows were domesticated around 10,000 years ago from wild ancestors like the aurochs. They have been integral to human agriculture and culture ever since. Cows are highly social animals and form strong bonds with their herd members. They can recognize up to 100 individuals and prefer to stay in groups, spend a significant portion of their day grazing, typically 6 to 11 hours. Whether it's planting crops for hungry farm animals, building cozy shelters for pets, or discovering the fascinating world of insects, every task is a new opportunity for fun and learning. Perfect for young explorers who love animals, nature, and imaginative play, this Sandbox adventure is packed with endless possibilities and smiles. Let's save the day together, one muddy paw, fluffy tail, and tiny antenna at a time.